Hey everybody, today's video is a 1960 Cree, and this is Terry, and she is the owner, and she's going to tell us all about it.
Hi, we've had our Cree, who is named Little Red Rover, for about 8 to 9 years. It was the second camper we redid. It was in not very good shape when we got it, so we repainted the outside. It was all faded. And we wanted something happy and bright, so I have bright colors. The kitchen is all original.
I have never seen one of these.
The countertops and the stove and the sink. And of course we painted it. It was painted real dark color. All the knobs, the teardrop knobs, are from the 60s.
So it looks on camera like it's pink, but it's actually red.
It's a red
It
color,
has just a hint of pink, but it's mostly red.
Yeah. And
is this all original?
Well, this we built in. It had been taken out. Of course, this is original. So we built back the seats and made cushions for them. But the cabinets are all original, and the pulls. We have a closet here.
And that's a full-length closet there?
Yes.
Oh, this is open.
Well, the original plan, this was a wet bathroom.
Okay.
The toilet was pointed front ways, and then a shower, and you entered it here.
Okay.
So we took that out and made a bigger shower. As you can see, it's a
much bigger
big shower for a camper this size. And then our little toilet's back here.
And that goes for a sewer hookup, or is
yes,
that okay? So that is a full
and
full use toilet.
We built this in. I'm sure there was some sort of bed arrangement here, but we pull this out and it makes a full size bed.
Oh, I can see the handles there where you pull it.
Yeah, we pull it out.
Okay.
And
then there's the TV.
Yeah.
And the fridge.
And the fridge, and we have a microwave hidden away up here.
Okay.
With storage. And this is our...
And more storage. So it's nice because it's so open.
Yeah, especially when you push the couch back, it makes you feel like there's lots of room, which this is a 16-foot.
And how much does it weigh, do you know?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't. And my husband installed the automatic water heater, so that's really nice.
Is that what that is?
Yes.
And you put the stickers on there, and it really
kind of
it makes it look like it's part of
the
yeah, it looks like it's part of the decorations.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Terry.
Thank you.
I'm going to show you guys the outside, and then I'll show you some still shots. All right. So we are at a Halloween rally, even though you're going to see this during the winter. This is a Halloween rally for Smoky Mountain Vintage Campers group. And here's the outside. Like you see, she's got it all decorated. So give this a thumbs up if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.